Hi YouTubers, now I'm going to test my power wheel as compared with my previous exercise equipment. I've been using this for how many months now, and I don't find any comments or bad comments with this one because it's really balanced. It helps me uh, reduce the risk of fracture from my back because this band helps me return whenever I push. So this one doesn't have any bands, but maybe because it is very big, I might as well try if it is okay or not, just to give you the review. First, I will show you how to use this one. Okay, this exercise machine is a more balanced machine, although it's quite small, but it's very sturdy. Okay. Now the band helps me return in my proper position to start again, so doesn't have any risk of back aches or fracture. So this is my previous exercise machine. Now let us try using the other exercise machine. Okay, this is the power wheel. So let's try. Okay, as you can see, I'm having a hard time balancing this power wheel. Okay, maybe because the space in between the wheels are quite narrow, and besides the wheels are rounded and not square, so it's very difficult to use. I don't know if I'm going to have a proper balance with this or to get a hang of it, but I still will try. But it's very difficult, you see. Okay, maybe I'll just need a little bit of practice, but it's very difficult to balance. Hopefully, I gave you best information about this power wheel, and maybe sometimes I get the hang of it so that I can use it fully. But I'm planning to separate these two wheels better by putting a spacer there so that the balance will be more appropriate. Thank you.